Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent, teaching instructor. I like to give you information. I've been doing this a really long time. I wrote a book about IRS settlements, just kind of letting you know I've been on national TV a lot. So today I want to talk to you about if you're going to call IRS, what to expect. If you owe IRS tax debt, what to expect. I used to work in the collection division, so I know exactly what's going to happen. I don't kind of need to think about it or go from my experience. I tell you what IRS is going to do. Their job and their mission is to close that case that you've now opened a module. If you're with a revenue officer, that person is going to control your destiny. Not so much with the ACS unit. If you call the 1-800 number, if you don't owe a lot of money, there's no reason you can't call them yourself, because there's not a lot IRS could do. But if you owe substantial debt, you don't. They're just going to go through you. They're going through you like a hot knife on butter. So let me get into what they're going to ask for real quickly. IRS needs a financial statement because they actually need to close your case off the IRS computer. That's how they know they're functioning well and that person's doing their job. So what does that mean? When IRS gives you a financial statement, they have to make sure you fix the problem. If you're self-employed, you're making current estimate payments. They've got to make sure all tax returns are filed and up to date. If not, they're going to give you a date. So these are things you need to think about before you call them if you're doing this on your own, because IRS is going to hammer you on this and follow up. They can prepare your tax return for you, and you won't be happy if they do that. And then the last thing and the most important thing, they're going to take a financial statement. They're going to secure a financial statement. That's a Form 433F. By the way, I'm not an AI person. I'm not AI generated. I'll cough to show you I'm not AI generated. So that financial statement determines your destiny with IRS. That financial statement will either let them know they're going to put you in uncollectible right now for a period of time, maybe a couple years. You enter a payment agreement, most do, and that's the problem when you call on your own. IRS is probably going to get a payment agreement because you don't know what's true and what's not. And then, or they can say, you're eligible for an offer. You may want to consider one. They can't take one. You can't file through them. You've got to file your own offer. But those are the three things that IRS is going to do, and they're going to stick to that. And you should be prepared. Don't call and let this be a mystery to you, because I'm going to tell you, if it is, it ain't going to work out well. If you call IRS unprepared, lovingly, that you will pay the price. I'm a former agent. I've worked thousands of cases. Give me a subscription if you would. That's really important to us people who do this. I appreciate you very much. I'm certainly available for representation. Don't be afraid to shoot me a text and say, hey. I don't mind, or I don't mind. I try to respond to as many as I can. Thank you so much. I appreciate your time.